What's up, guys? It's April 22nd, 2024. Had a bull trend day, kind of a wedge bottom from the previous few days. Had a bullish breakout, high gap up, higher low, rip for a couple hours. I didn't trade, but it's cool to watch. I'm gonna do analysis each bar where the buyers and sellers are, and while I'm talking about that, we'll cover the market cycle and leg ones and leg twos and leg threes. But I'm gonna just going forward with these breakdowns. I'm gonna be doing it more this way, just bar by bar analysis, because I think that'll really start to stack up in a couple months if I just kept talking about it in that manner. So yeah, gap up, bar one, no continuation. This is a big bull bar after a double bottom, so now we're in the channel phase. If we're talking about the market cycle, bar two, bar three. So bar two is a range, bad follow through for the bears, good for the bulls. Bar three looks like a failed breakout again for the bears. Closed bullish. Now we're forming a range here. Bar four, buy range lows, selling range highs. Bar five is bad follow through at range highs. Bulls definitely do not want to see bar five and bar six. 1 second. Bar seven looks like it's testing the highs. It's a range. It's a trend bar. Bar eight is bad follow through for the bulls again at highs. We're trading under the higher time frame EMA. And so where are we? Trading under the higher time frame EMA. Small bear channel here. Bar nine, good follow. Bad for the bulls, good for the bears. Starting to sell lower. Bar 10, more bearish pressures picking up. It's all range bars, lots of back and forth trading. Bar 10 is a vacuum test of support. This is bar 11, excuse me. Bar 11 is a vacuum test of support. Bar 12 looks like it's follow through for the bears. They're trying to break out below the EMA. Bar 13 creates a double top with bar 12. It's a bull bar. Bar 14 is a new high, so this is now the first pullback. Could be a leg one, pullback leg two, or it could be a breakout, leg one, leg two. Bar 15 tests the breakout point right here. It closes bullish, but it has a lot of sellers. Bulls could be taking profits, bears could be shorting, having orders on bar 11. Bar 16 is a lower high, double top, EMA starting to act as resistance. Bar 16 looks like another leg lower, could be a leg two move for this or a fresh breakout. Bar 18 is actually bad follow through for bar. Did I say 16? Excuse me. Bar 17. I just changed the numbers for every three, so I gotta get used to counting in threes. I had it at twos for a while, so my bad. Bar 19 creates a double bottom here and a double top here, so it'd be a bear flag double top. Bar so 19, 20. Bear flag trying to break out for a leg lower. On 21, we see that right here. Not the best trend bar you want to see at lows. We want to see like big bars with not a lot of overlap. There's overlap here, overlap here. So the market is breaking down lower, but there's a lot of overlap. Bar 22 looks like a wedge bottom here now. And then the market starts to rip higher. This is also bar 22 becomes a higher low from yesterday's price action. Bar 23, good follow through for the bulls, bad for the bears. Bar 24, market's trying to break out above the EMA. Bar 25 shows the good follow through. Bar 26 is a strong bar above the EMA. So now what are we? It's 8:30. So the market's been trading for about 2 hours and went range bound, and now they're trying to break out. Bar 27 is a pullback. If this was a breakout, could be a spike and pullback. I keep hiccuping, so I'm muting the mic. Excuse me. So spike, pullback with 27. This is the first reversal, or it could be a leg count reset by breaking out above the EMA. Spike, pullback channel, bar 28. It's like bull flag here now. 29 breaking out. 30, 31. It looks like a buy the close rally. This could be its own leg. 32 is a pause. It doesn't make a new low, so it's not necessarily a new leg, but it is a pullback. It's just not with a new low. It's more like a compression and goes. 33 strong bull trend bar, and 34 looks like it accelerated into the EMA and sold off. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then they get a wedge. Bears get a 2-legged pull back into the EMA with 35, 36 is a pullback, 37 sells off, and then 37, 38, 38 looks like a 2-bar reversal with 37 above the EMA, so that's good for the bear bulls. This could also be seen as one leg because this is now a new low here. So because 27 didn't go below 26, 32 didn't go below 31, but 35 did go below, no, 33, 34. Yeah, 35 went below 34, and then that continued down into a bearish channel. So this is a form of a leg right here with a new low. 2-bar reversal 39, 2-bar reversal here, 39 is a pause, and then 30, 40. 40 is the market starting to break out above the EMA. 40, 41, 42, 43. This is a pause, not a new low. Comes to buy the closed rally. You could buy any of these and make money. Just put a stop below. 43 is a doji, so that could be a pullback on a lower time frame, but it's still bullish. It still has lower lows. It still has a higher low and a higher close, so that's still good for the bulls. Same situation with 44, higher low, higher close, higher low, higher close of 45, trending. 46 does not make a new low, so this could still be seen as the bulls actually never make a new low up until, wow, up until it was even here, up until 60. That's insane. But so if we're counting opposite bars, like 1, it would breakout, pull back here, breakout, pullback, breakout. Small pullback will trend. It's hard to short later legs. I think it's better to just wait if you want to get short because they have a lot of bars across. So 48 is a strong breakout. 49 follow through. 50, not a bull body, but also not a bear body, so that's the minimum the bulls need. 51 is a bear body, and it's looking like a compression bear flag right here, and that breaks out with 52. And 53 is good follow through. Starting to get climactic. We're breaking above yesterday's high. That's this dotted line right here. 54 starts to pull back. 53 is a pullback, but not a new low is made. Somewhat of a bear flag. Somewhat of a bull flag. 56 starting to break out. 57 is breaking out. And 58 they make a new high. 59 is a trend bar. The market goes sideways at new highs. Inside bar. Kind of not. This traded one tick higher than bar 60, so it's not an inside bar, but this could be a final flag pattern. 60, 61, 62. It looks like bears are trying to get a reversal into the EMA. We have been trending for a while, so we could get a deep pullback. 63 is follow through for 62 into the EMA. 64 and 65, the market finds support at the EMA. It starts to pull back here. With 66, that makes a good short for the bears. Market goes kind of sideways. We're starting to get more overlap than trending behavior. This is nice trending behavior. A lot of wicks, but trending. These bars here overlap. So this could be a TTR, and it breaks out for a few legs lower. 70 starting to break out. 71 does break out. 72 bad follow through, so this could be a leg 1, pullback leg 2, leg 1, pullback leg 2. This is not making a new high, so we could still be in the same channel. And then 73 does break out pretty strongly, and it gets follow through with 74. 75 bear starts to take profits above the EMA. It was resistance here, now it's acting as support. Resistance turn support. 76 pull back into the EMA. 77 77 sells off into the higher time frame EMA, and then we go sideways. Better to just wait till tomorrow to trade now. Pretty cool bull trend day. Yeah, I'm doing this breakdown at 423. So this is today's price action. You might be wondering, like, why is the chart not lining up? It's because I'm doing this on 423. So this was yesterday's price. This is 422's price action right here. This bar right here, I mean, sell off, wedge bottom, then make a higher low. Go back to the normal chart. I hope I didn't confuse anyone there. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. I like doing this bar by bar. It is a little bit harder than I expected. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it. It'll start stacking up over time. I think this is the way to go. I appreciate all the comments and the views. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Keep using your stop loss. Have a nice night. Goodbye, everybody.